E KAIPAKIHI WAHINE MAORI a Leearna Nepia. Ko tana mai, ka wakaritia e ia ngā kanikani. Engari, e kanikani noho puku e mau purutanga taringa ana. E WAHINE KAIPAKIHI e mō ana ki tana wakapapa.
Heuri moko puna hau mai te kāhui maunga ki Tangaroa. Heuri hoki no ngā titu wharetoa, no ngā wairiki, ngā apa hoki, ko Leearna Nepia tōku ingoa.
Nā ngā tamariki aia, I wakawetia.
I guess from travelling outside of Wanganui, firstly, I first saw it at the Festival of Lights in New Plymouth. And then we went travelling the world with a bunch of friends, and I saw it constantly, so I thought, well, this would be cool if we could have this at home. So yeah, that was inspired by many things, something different as well.
I tū atu I ngā tamariki, ka toro atu aia ki ngā paake.
At the moment, it's been really popular with our rangatahi, tamariki, birthday parties and things like that. Eventually, I do want to try something else with kaumātua, perhaps a sit-fit or aka. But also, I want to also trial something totally different with maybe businesses doing a seminar or a hui, facilitating a hui with the headphones on. I think that would be quite cool. I've also seen other things like yoga and fitness sessions, so that would be really cool to explore. But at this stage, it's been really popular with our tamariki, which is cool because it's kind of the lane that that first inspired me to start.
E me I wakawetai ana aia kia waha digital.
It's been incredible working with Waha. I think I wasn't sure how things were going to work, and then an opportunity came with Waha Digital, and I just grabbed it and really leveraged out of it and got a lot out of it. I guess they gave me the tools to be able to do things a lot quicker, because I had no idea how I was going to start. I just knew that I was going to do something and progress somehow. And so that opportunity came and I took it, and it's been incredible.
Engari, ko tana mai matua e kai tohu aia ki te Puni Kōkiri mō ngā kaupapa rangatai.
He kai tohu ahau mō te Puni Kōkiri ki te tari o Wanganui. I roto I ngā mahi mō te hunga rangatahi. Nā reira, he pai ki te mahi ki roto I ira āhuatanga mō te hunga rangatahi.
E wakaro ona mō te anamata.
Well, it is getting quite busy at the moment, and I'm starting to get inquiries during the week, which is it's difficult, but I manage, and with the support of whānau, that's important as well when you're starting a new side hustle or business passion project, aharane. But I do hope to trial some of those different things like yoga, or especially aka. Like I really want to build up our kaupapa Māori, in particular to our awa and our maunga. So really looking forward to exploring those kinds of things. I have had a kōrero with a few key people like Jari, who are experts in that field, so keen to collaborate with them, and they're also keen.
Akāti, ko Eruera Rerekura tēnei, mō te reo o te uru. Ko te reo, te take.